Okay, we're live, yeah. So, market recap. Haven't done one of these in a minute, mainly because I haven't been taking trades like that. But market recap today, pretty interesting day. Well, actually, not pretty, very interesting day. So let's kind of go through it on the 5 minute real quick of where price went, what I was looking for today, and ultimately what happened today. All right, so um, overall target for the day was to come up to here, which you can see we did, but I was more than prepared to be full out here. Are these equal highs? Oh, that's not straight. Oh. Right. Okay, cool. So let's kind of go through it. All right. So coming into the day, 9:30. Didn't record. Did I go live today? No, didn't go live today. I had an appointment this morning. I'm probably not trading tomorrow because I will not be back until around 11 o'clock. That's my trading day gone. I have another appointment. Anyways, so what do we see today? We saw at 8:30. Where are we at? 8:30. Just a candle. Whatever. Price pushes up a little bit. Created equal highs. We push lower. Now for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go replay. Okay. Just so it's a little bit easier for me to get there, right? Right. Okay, cool. So what do we have is price comes lower. I was looking at this as the liquidity needed right here. I was looking at that liquidity. So once that happened, I was like, all right, bet I'm going long from here. And if you look on the 1 minute, you can see it. Now, I traded this on MNQ, not on the actual NQ. And actually, this might be different now that I look at this on MNQ. No, it's about the same. Is it? I don't know. That looks a little different. But going forward, I'm going to be trading on the NQ itself. But it doesn't look as strong of a close as MNQ was. So that's pretty interesting. But anyways, on MNQ, I entered here. Stop was below the candle. Cool, fine, no problem. And I was targeting here as well as here. All right. So those are my two main targets, break even. First target, second target. As you can see, I took a loss. Cool, fine, no problem. Now, what does price do? Price comes up, tries to push lower, fails. Comes up again, sweeps this high, which is now liquidity. All right, this high should not be swept. We push lower, recreate another inverse. Now, create another inverse. Now, also with this inverse, it kind of ties back to we have equal lows in here. I'm just going to draw this line across. All right, so we have these equal lows. We can see price just respects it beautifully. And then we should be able to get an entry. Whoops, 1 second. Sorry about that. Then from here, we should be able to get an entry. All right. Probably up here. Maybe wait a little bit. You let it do its thing. Something like this. And same two targets. Right. Smaller R. But, kind of the same targets that we're looking at. Now, on M and Q, there is no FEG here. And I can show that. M and Q. Right. Oh, I'm also in replay here. Wow, crazy. Right. So on M and Q, you can see there's no replay. You can see that there's one here on the NQ, and on the MNQ, there is none. So I wasn't able to capitalize on this. You can see that this looks like it's a little bit higher. Let's go through that again. Oops. Yeah, this close is a little bit higher, more convincing than this one. Right, it's kind of like low. To be honest, I probably wouldn't have taken this one on the NQ itself. But it is what it is, right? I'm not really mad at it. Actually, I'm not mad at it at all. It was a good trade. It was a good loss. I followed my system pretty much perfectly. I have no complaints. See, those are the best ones. Like when I follow my system 100% and I get taken out as a loss, I don't care. I'm cool. I like it's great, right? It just means that I followed my system, and whoop to do, the system didn't play out this time. It's just how it goes. But I trade based off probabilities, not based off of emotions or wanting to change anything. Where I have an issue is when I don't follow my system and then I take stupid trades. Those are the ones that piss me off the most. But but today, cool, whatever. I don't care. So those were two kind of like inconsistencies I saw today. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of jump to real time. All right. Okay. So where the hell are we? Okay, cool. Yeah. So real time. We go back out to 5 minutes. So shoot, where are we now? Okay. So 5 minute, what did we do? We went up. We pretty much swept that liquidity at these highs. Price kind of did a little Peter Patter thing. And then you can see we just rolled over. Now this is 11 o'clock, so I'm already out. But I can see from price development, we're rolling over, right? We have to have some form of pullback. We can't have 1, 2, 3 FEGs in here. I expected price to come back down, but out of my trading time. But what is it that we actually did, right? Come up, push lower. We had a small pullback, very small, minimal, and we pushed lower. This actually might have been a trade here at 12:30. And you just look, wow, not a trade, but a trade. And yeah, pretty textbook, to be honest. Pretty textbook like that. And you're, in this particular case, this is very simple. These are the types of, to be honest, these are the types of trades that I love taking. These ones has been presenting very much recently, but these kinds like this, ooh, I love them. So yeah, as you can see, price kind of just ran away from there. So yeah, now where did price actually come into? This is where I'm going to start doing analysis, because I honestly do not know. So here, right? No, today is Wednesday. Price came up, we pushed lower. Oh, we swept the lows. We swept these lows in here from yesterday. And to be quite honest with you, pretty convincing sweep of liquidity. However, on a daily FEG standpoint, this means absolutely nothing. Because to me, it looks like we're going down tomorrow. To be honest, it's going to be a pretty bad week in terms of development. I'll have to see what happens on Friday. But I think we go down tomorrow. Yeah, at a minimum to this low here. So if I'm looking at this, right? Look at where we're respecting. They respect that 50% beautifully. So I do not see price pushing through there tomorrow, if I'm being honest. I actually see us probably coming up a little bit, pushing lower, taking out this low, which I believe is that wick. Yeah, and I see us taking out this wick tomorrow. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm expecting from price tomorrow. It's going to be pretty much a consolidation week until this gets filled in. Until this gets filled in, there's pretty much nothing. Alright, this gets filled in, there's pretty much nothing. Now, I've decided to do two, what do you call those now? Combines with Alpha Futures, 2 of them. The loss I took today was only one. It was only on one. And it wasn't a small loss. What was it? It was a decent loss. It was 50K account. It was under $300. So it's whatever. But I kind of decided with NQ, I'm just going to take one contract, which will be around $500 a trade. So I'll take the one contract and target the first area of liquidity that I find. My goal with this is to get a higher strike rate. Like, just get the higher strike rate, just get the ball moving, right? And it should be pretty good. It'll give me what after this. I think my stop is 2,000. So if I'm doing 500, 2,000, it gives me about 4 tries. Right. If I'm losing 4 trades straight, I have an issue. And the one today was a valid loss, no problem with it. But the one that I missed, that one would have netted me quite well today. But you know, it is what it is, right? So this one, shoot, where is it? Here. Sorry, this one here would have netted me quite well today, and definitely would have just done whatever. It would have knocked the other loss out of the park, right? It wouldn't have mattered, and yeah, it would have been up. So really, kind of looking at 1 to 2 kind of R for my trades, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap from today and kind of what I expect to see tomorrow. I'm not trading tomorrow, so you won't hear from me. But then I'll be back Friday. So yeah.